Welcome to Baywatch. High School Musical, mong good. Oh. Master Popi. Reaction videos. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel, Master Popi. Salamat sa pag-subscribe ha. This will be my first of many reaction videos to come. Magtanong-tag mga trailers, magtanong-tag mga anything na mga bago, mga trending karon. And right now, tanaw na to ning Baywatch. Beforehand, nakabalo na kong apil dani si Dwayne The Rock Johnson. So tanaw na to kung kinsa bagong itsura karon o kinsa mga hot babes sa Baywatch. Kinsa man ni be? Let's see.
I'm oceanic, motherfucker. Welcome to Baywatch.
Welcome to Baywatch.
Our team is the elite of the elite.
Chuy.
We're the soul of this very beach. Come on, Pete, make my pecs a little bigger. And don't cover up my front bump.
You got it. Huge dick.
We're staring into the abyss here. It's up to us to restore the Baywatch brand.
Hey, One Direction, you here for the
One
qualifiers?
Direction.
I'm Matt Brody. I don't have to try
High
out.
School Musical, mong good.
Hey,
Matt Brody.
Matt Brody, yes. We still don't give up. Training begins at 0600.
This has nothing to do with saving people. These are
Naglawas, boy.
Baywatch, you pussy.
Yamat.
What is it that you think we do here?
Prevent people from getting sunburned and occasionally
Ako
stop them from
naglawas si
drowning.
Kondo.
Jim, everything's okay. Stop it. I can't save you if you're being a dick. This is the guy you think is a good PR opportunity for us.
Look, I get it.
You're big, Sasquatch, but I'm fast.
Didn't touch you. You suck.
Director of Horrible Boss.
Dead body on our beach, and it all started once she took over.
Some people are up to no good.
We're gonna have to do what Baywatch does best. The truth is, one of you will probably die.
Yeah. What? No.
Really,
I'm the only one that thinks this is clearly a job for the police.
Thank you, Blue-Eyed Demon. You got one job. Make sure swim-happy white people don't drown.
Why does she always look like she's running in slow-mo?
She's the reason I believe in God.
Oh.
We gotta go undercover.
What?
Yeah, undercover.
First time.
Yeah, a little too undercover.
First time na ko siya nakita nag-denies.
Jason Bourne ain't got shit on me. Why are we in the morgue?
You gotta get some hard evidence.
Someone's coming.
What do we do now? Now we hide.
Weird.
I'm laying
Someone.
on a dead old lady. Our drawers are empty. Why'd you pick that drawer?
Something just tripped me.
It's just a little dead man's fat. Necrotic liquid fat that we used up in a baby.
That's it. I'm out.
Wala na. Nasa pool. Buwang. May 26. Uy, May 26. Well, wow, palakpakan. Grabe, party. Party ng Baywatch. Be, ako mastoryato. Lingaw siya. Na siya mga bagong nga mga scenes. Siyempre, comedic si The Rock. Tapos si Zac Efron, dago ang kiglawas. Idol na ako ng shutdown. Pero mas idol na ako ang katong chicks kaayo. Katubito ang gikuan niya iyang bad. Kelly Rohrbach. Asa ka na ko nakita? Nakita ka sa Pogon one time. Kelly Rohrbach. It's a definitely must watch. Kay syempre madumduman ako ang Baywatch team, di ba? Some people say with a money to remember this breaking tonight. And idol ako si Dwayne, comedic gyapon si Joker si Zac Efron. O idol nako si Kelly Rohrbach. tell you are right. Alis naman to, May. Una na to, guys, ha. So, kung namoy suggestion dyan nga mga trailers nga gusto ninyo nga tanawon ako, pwede ninyo i-comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe lang na, i-click lang na para for more reaction videos to come.